Hello everyone. Welcome back to AV Creatives for interesting and informative related to space traveler and audiovisual exploration in astrophysics.
The universe is believed to follow a pattern of Srishti, Sthiti, and Samhara. These are the Sanskrit words for creation, preservation, and destruction, respectively. In the mythology of Hinduism, Buddhism, and Jainism, these three aspects are embodied by three gods collectively referred to as the Trimurti. Brahma represents creation, Vishnu represents preservation, and Shiva represents destruction. The universe was created by Brahma, the creator who made the universe out of himself. After Brahma created the world, it is the power of Vishnu which preserves the world and human beings. As part of the cycle of birth, life and death, it is Shiva who will ultimately destroy the universe. Each god is associated with a unique symbol. Brahma is commonly depicted as a red or golden complexioned bearded man with 4 heads and hands. His 4 heads represent the 4 Vedas and are pointed to the 4 cardinal directions. He is seated on a lotus. Vishnu with the Sudarshan Chakra like a discus. In the Rig Veda, the Sudarshana Chakra is stated to be Vishnu's symbol as the wheel of time. The discus later emerged as an Ayudh Purusha, which means an anthropomorphic form, as a fierce form of Vishnu, used for the destruction of demons. As an Ayudh Purusha, the deity is known as Chakraperumal or Chakratalvar. His hands hold 4 of his most essential symbols in many depictions: the conch, the chakra or discus, the club, and the lotus flower. The iconographical attributes of Shiva are the serpent king Vasuki around his neck, the adorning crescent moon, the holy river Ganga flowing from his matted hair, the third eye on his forehead, the eye that turns everything in front of it into ashes when opened, the Trishula or trident as his weapon, and the Damru. And Shiva with the Udukku like a hourglass drums was attached to the Trishulam, which means a trident with black dots at both ends. The Shiva Linga, a symbol of Lord Shiva in Hinduism, is considered a powerful representation of all cosmic energies and is central to worship in Shiva temples. Other concepts that exist in the universe include atoms, the Milky Way, artificial intelligence, heaven, earth, and hell, as well as past, present, and future. The universe also includes the physical laws that influence energy and matter, such as conservation laws, classical mechanics, and relativity. The universe is often defined as the totality of existence, or everything that exists, everything that has existed, and everything that will exist. A study on the theories of development of the universe has helped us discover these theories until this day: flat Earth theory, geocentric model, heliocentric model, and the Big Bang theory. The universe is everything. It includes all of space and all the matter and energy that space contains. It even includes time itself and, of course, it includes you. Earth and the moon are part of the universe, as are the other planets and their many dozens of moons. The universe is thought to consist of 3 types of substance: normal matter, dark matter, and dark energy. According to the book of Genesis, God created the universe and all the heavenly bodies, the sun, the moon, and the stars, in 6 days. But according to contemporary cosmologists, the universe began with a great explosion known as the Big Bang, after which the stars and galaxies slowly formed over billions of years. The mind, body, and soul are also integral parts of existence, as are birth, life, and death. The mind can act as a gateway to the soul by helping us access our deeper thoughts, beliefs, and values. By examining our thoughts and questioning our beliefs, we can gain insight into our soul's desires and purpose. When something is done or believed body and soul, it is done or believed completely. This term indicates great faith and commitment. We all have bodies, and many people believe we have souls, a spiritual essence that lives after our bodies are gone. What does the Bible say about the mind, body, and soul? Just as God is three in one, Creator, Christ, Holy Spirit, humans were created as three parts: body, mind, and spirit. May the God of peace Himself sanctify you entirely, and may your spirit and soul and body be kept sound and blameless at the coming of our Lord Jesus Christ. While the idea of a multiverse is also compatible with an Islamic worldview, many Muslims find a theological interpretation of fine-tuning more compelling. To them, the remarkable coincidence is just another facet of the argument from design, which has a long pedigree in Islamic thought. In Islamic theology, God's transcendental nature means that He cannot be compared to any natural entity or phenomenon. Consequently, Islam completely rejects the doctrine of incarnation and the notion of a personal God as anthropomorphic. The greatest proof for the existence and lordship of Allah, then, is discovered in the visceral experiences of the heart through which the believers find comfort, inner peace, moral education, and meaning in life, the spiritual fruits of true religion. Lifespan is the time period between the birth and death of an organism. The birth-death process, or birth and death process, is a special case of continuous time Markov process where the state transitions are of only two types: births, which increase the state variable by 1, and deaths, which decrease the state by 1. It was introduced by William Feller. The natural cycle of birth, death, and rebirth happens to include death. A word that often brings up imagery associated with fear, pain, and horror. Death is actually a necessary and beautiful part of life that our modern culture could stand to embrace and honor more. Some of the most notable scientists in history, such as Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and Stephen Hawking, have contributed to our understanding of the universe and its laws, including gravity, general relativity, and black hole thermodynamics. Newton was one of the first to make a reflecting telescope. However, his most profound contribution to science is the formulation of 3 laws of motion, which also lays the foundation for the principle of universal gravitation. Newton's ideas about the universe held sway until Einstein introduced the theory of general relativity. But for most of what we observe in our daily experience, Newton's laws remain completely valid today. Albert Einstein. The revolutionary scientist Albert Einstein was born in Germany in 1879, and his discoveries altered the very fabric of contemporary science. We now have a completely new understanding of space, time, and gravity thanks to his revolutionary theories, especially relativity. Steve Hawking is best known for his discovery that black holes emit radiation which can be detected by special instrumentation. His discovery has made the detailed study of black holes possible, a major milestone in the history of science. The theory of Hawking radiation established a profound connection among gravitation, quantum physics, and information science, which still guides the ongoing search for a more complete theory of quantum gravity. The universe is also home to nebulas, galaxies, and black holes. The universe encompasses all of space, time, matter, and energy. The universe contains everything that exists, from particles of matter smaller than an atom to the largest stars. The universe also includes all forms of energy, from the light you see streaming from stars to invisible radio waves and X-rays. The physical universe is defined as all of space and time, collectively referred to as space-time, and their contents. Such contents comprise all of energy in its various forms, including electromagnetic radiation and matter, and therefore planets, moons, stars, galaxies, and the contents of intergalactic space. Our universe's origin centers on an event known as the Big Bang. This theory was born of the observation that other galaxies are moving away from our own at great speed in all directions, as if they had all been propelled by an ancient explosive force. The timeline of human history is measured in BC BCE and AD CE, and we continue to ask fundamental questions about the nature of existence, such as how, why, and when things happen. Finally, the concept of space is multidimensional, with time travel being a popular hypothetical concept. Multidimensional time means the possibility of more than one dimension of time. The concept of multifaceted time has occasionally been discussed in physics, philosophy, folklore, and fantasy literature. Time travel in physics. Some theories, most notably special and general relativity, suggest that suitable geometries of space-time or specific types of motion in space might allow time travel into the past and future if these geometries or motions were possible. Space and time are universal forms of the existence of matter, the coordination of objects. The universality of these forms lies in the fact that they are forms of existence of all the objects and processes that have ever existed or will exist in the infinite universe. Time travel is the concept of moving between different points in time, just like you move between different places. In movies, you might have seen characters using special machines, magical devices, or even hopping into a futuristic car to travel backward or forward in time. On our current understanding of the universe, we could potentially travel into the future, but traveling into the past may well be a total no-no. The only remaining loophole is that the theories this is based on are incomplete. A time traveler would not be able to change the past from the way it is, but would only act in a way that is already consistent with what necessarily happened. Consideration of the grandfather paradox has led some to the idea that time travel is by its very nature paradoxical and therefore logically impossible. NASA is the civilian space program for aeronautical and aerospace research in the US, while ISRO is the premier space agency of India. NASA, which stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration, is based in the United States of America. ISRO is primarily responsible for space-based operations, space exploration, international space cooperation, and the development of related technologies. It has sent 3 missions to the Moon and 1 to Mars. NASA partnership with the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, NISAR is a joint Earth observing mission between NASA and the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, with the goal to make global measurements of the causes and consequences of land surface changes using advanced radar imaging. NISAR will map the entire globe in 12 days and provide spatially and temporally consistent data for understanding changes in Earth's ecosystems, ice mass, vegetation biomass, sea level rise, groundwater and natural hazards including earthquakes, tsunamis, volcanoes and landslides, NASA and ISRO are important agents for scientific research. Hence, the article aims to explain the function and differences of both research institutes. ISRO, before being a space center, was a national program to promote research and scientific activities within the country. Both ISRO and NASA are dedicated to exploring space and discovering new truths about the universe. Also need to encrypt all languages to Sanskrit. Sanskrit, the world's oldest spiritual and scientific language. Sanskrit is being adopted by NASA. Despite its ancient origin, the language has some amazing characteristics that are considered helpful in different fields. The Indo-Aryan migrations theory explains the common features shared by Sanskrit and other Indo-European languages by proposing that the original speakers of what became Sanskrit arrived in South Asia from a region of common origin, somewhere northwest of the Indus region, during the early 2nd millennium BCE. Throughout its history, ISRO has shown a penchant for drawing inspiration from Sanskrit while christening its spacecraft. This was evident in their Mars orbiter, Mangalyaan, which took flight in 2013 and examined the terrain and atmosphere of Mars from a vantage point in orbit. Sanskrit texts often encode profound mathematical and philosophical concepts. AI algorithms can decipher these encoded ideas, leading to innovations such as artificial intelligence ethics, logic programming, and symbolic reasoning systems. Finally, robotics is rapidly evolving, with the potential to surpass human intelligence in the near future. While AI has the potential to automate specific tasks and jobs, it is likely to replace humans in some areas. AI is best suited for handling repetitive, data-driven tasks and making data-driven decisions. Different reports recommend that the supply of robots worldwide could arrive at 20 million by 2030, with robotized laborers taking up to 51 million positions in the following 10 years. Thus, while they may not assume control over the world, we hope to see more robots in our daily routines. On the positive side, AI and robots can make daily tasks at home easier, improve work efficiency, and contribute to creating sustainable cities. They might work alongside humans, becoming helpful partners in creating a safer and more efficient environment. The technological singularity, or simply the singularity, is a hypothetical future point in time at which technological growth becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unforeseeable consequences for human civilization. According to the most popular version of the singularity hypothesis, I.J. A growing number of commentators see this as being likely by around 2050. Some, including the late, great Stephen Hawking, suggested that it could have potential to result in human extinction. Others, more optimistically, see human brains as merging with the digital world as part of our ongoing evolution. Robots to help with aphasia, cancer care, geriatric issues and more. West Lafayette, Ind. There is no avoiding robots. With increasing autonomy, satellites span the skies, vacuums roam underfoot, and bots conduct surgery, deliver packages and explore the solar system. AI does not have an IQ in the traditional sense. IQ is a measure designed specifically for humans to assess certain cognitive abilities like reasoning, problem solving, and understanding complex ideas. It's based on standardized tests that are tailored to human thought processes and cultural contexts. Artificial intelligence systems outperform humans in a range of important categories. AI, particularly machine algorithms, is strikingly effective at processing and integrating new information and sharing new knowledge among separate AI models. The endurance of AI is also superior to human intelligence. Machines do not require rest and do not get distracted. And AI works at speeds well beyond those of human intelligence. A machine will outperform a human at most tasks that both have been trained to complete by many orders of magnitude. Ultimately, though the idea of robots ruling the world may make for good science fiction, there is a limit on what they can accomplish without human input. It is unlikely, but not impossible.
Thank you for watching, AV Creatives, and I'll be back soon with a mysterious update from the universe.